Okay, barrel value. So we've taught our dog a marker word. He knows that the word yes means that food is on its way. Sit, noodly, sit, wait. And so the marker word basically means that food is on its way. It's going to motivate him to do the behaviour again. He knows that the word yes means food is coming. So I'm going to use that marker word now to train the behaviour. I think I just dropped a treat. Sit, wait. Just going to make sure that he doesn't get that for free. Sit, wait. Doesn't ruin things. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to introduce the barrel. So ideally what we want to happen is the dog to go away from the handler and go around the barrel. So they form a positive association with going away from the handler, round the barrel, and we will be doing that on cue eventually. But to start off with, we're literally shaping the behaviour. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure the dog doesn't fail by being really close to the barrel and wait for it to happen. So I'm going to be so close that I'm touching the barrel with all my body and leaning over the top of it. And I'm just going to see what the dog does. When he gets to about midday on the clock face of the top of the barrel, I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to throw the reward behind me between 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Okay, so I'm just going to get him to go away by rolling the food that way, and then I'm leaning over the barrel. Yes. And yes. When he gets to midday, his little bit of food has gone down a little bit of a not ideal place to set up. It's gone down a little bit of a hole in the garden. Yes. So he's getting this really quick. Yes. Clever poodle that he is. Going to take a step back. Yes. Yes. So I'm always throwing between 5 and 7 o'clock behind. Yes. Taking a further step back. Yes. Yes. So I'm just checking. Yes. I could see that, and he was looking ahead. He's looking at the barrel. Yes. He's got an understanding of what I'm expecting him to do. Just missed that little bit of food. So what we're going to do next is, yes. Yes. Right, I'm just going to stop him a moment. He's really got this well, and I'm starting to take some steps back. Sit, wait. I just want him to stop because I don't want him to be running around the barrel and I'm not able to reward it because I'm talking to camera. If he hadn't have taken the barrel straight away, I could have just sort of wiggled my finger to get his attention and then waited for that behaviour to happen. But it so happened to work well with him. I've got a little bit of distance there, and I've checked. He seems to, noodles, sit, wait. He seems to really know what he's doing with the barrel, so I'm now going to start to add in the cue. So the cue comes just before he goes around the barrel. So I'm going to call this barrel. And I'm just literally going to say to him, as he's approaching the barrel, I'm going to say the word barrel and then throw the food. So exactly the same thing. Still use my marker word at midday, but I'm just adding in the cue. So the cue comes just before the behaviour happens. The reason we do that is if they are concentrating on a lure or concentrating on what they're doing, they're not going to listen to the cue. So through repetition, if we say the cue enough times, but just before they do the behaviour, they're then going to start to associate that word with that behaviour. Okay, so I'm just going to go back near the barrel. I'm going to get his attention and I'm going to wait for that to happen, and then I'm going to put in the cue. Let's go. I'm just going to throw that away. I'm going to wait for him to go around the barrel. Yes. Just going to get him doing it a couple of times before I add in the cue. Yes. Barrel. Yes. Barrel. Yes. Oh, he's starting to run towards it now. This is nice. He's looking forwards. Barrel. Yes. Oh, so I was a bit late because I was talking. you could do it again. Barrel, yes. Excellent. Barrel, yes. Good boy. So he's really associating this with the barrel as well, because he's starting to, I'm just gonna grab him a sec so that I can talk again. He's starting to really look ahead to the barrel for where he's going. So that's really nice barrel value. Okay.